Hello, gents. What will it be?
Pooh, give us a super squishy.
One that's made entirely out of syrup.
Entirely. An all syrup super squishy? Was such a thing has never been done?
Just make it happen.
Oh dear. No, she won't hold. She's breaking up. All done. If you survive, please come again.
It's so thick. Your turd, Bart.
Whoa, that's good squishy.
What's it like, Bart? Bart? Give me that.
Okay, we're young, rich, and full of sugar. What do we do?
Let's go crazy Broadway style!
Springfield, it's a hell of a town. The schoolyard's up and the shopping mall's down. The stray dogs go to the animal pound. Springfield.
New York isn't that away, man.
Thanks, kid.
It's a hell of a
Riku.
Hey, don't phone her that squishy!
Oh, look. I don't know where you magic pixies came from, but I like your pixie drink.
My head.
The remorse of the sugar junkie.
Oh, I don't remember anything.
Really? Not even this?
Oh no, I must have joined the junior campers.
You the proud, the geeky.
Boy, a man on a squishy bender can sure do some crazy things.